I'm going to show you how to clean your brass clawfoot bath for under 50 bucks. In fact, just over $30 using basic cleaning stuff that you can get from Bunnings. So I bought a clawfoot bath, but the claw feet are a bit how you're going, and I've found a way to clean them up so that they end up looking like that. I'll show you what to do in just a minute. So I've got the claw foot in this plastic container. I've got my oven cleaner and my beautiful marigolds, or whatever you want to call them, and then we just got to spray it on there quite liberally. You should have breathing apparatus and all sorts of stuff. This stuff is really caustic. And then just leave it for 5 minutes. So then it's been about 5 minutes. I'm just going to scrub it with this little brass brush. You can see there straight away that it's already started to work and get the tarnish off the brass. This stuff really stinks, eh? You gotta make sure that you're not breathing this shit in. That a good old scrub as much as you can. Oh, I think I broke the bucket. That's alright. Alright. So we got our stuff here just with water. Try not to get this caustic stuff on you. Just rinse it all off as best you can. So there's a little bit more there that I've got to do. That's pretty good. That'll do. There's the end result. Woohoo! I'll do a little bit of polishing in a little while. So I did some polishing, and this is what they've ended up like. Pretty happy with them. I mean, there are parts in it that I can't get to. Some, like in there, for example. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The inside's still nice and dodgy, but that's all right. The outside's the bit that everyone looks at. So pretty happy.